Get paid for your slip and fall injury even without surgery. Injured in a slip and fall in Vegas but didn't need surgery? You may still have a case. Think you can't file a slip and fall claim just because you didn't need surgery? That's exactly what the insurance company wants you to believe. I'm going to show you how you can still recover compensation even without surgery. Hi, I'm Scott Poisson. Having represented over 10,000 clients, I've seen firsthand how insurance companies bully people to pay them as little as possible. If you need to speak with an attorney you can trust to help you get a bigger settlement, call me at 702-444-3228. Let's break this down. Non-surgical injuries can still be serious and worth compensation. Many people think surgery is the only sign of a serious injury, but that's not true. A herniated disc, for example, can cause constant pain, limit your ability to move freely, and impact your daily tasks. It doesn't always require surgery right away, but the damage can be severe and long-lasting. Torn ligaments or cartilage injuries in your knee or shoulder can also make walking, lifting, or even simple movements painful for weeks or months. Beyond physical pain, these injuries can disrupt your work and family life. Imagine struggling to hold your child or complete your job because of persistent pain or limited mobility. Even sprains, which might seem minor, can prevent you from driving, standing for long periods, or performing routine activities. Insurance companies often ignore these less visible but very real impacts, trying to minimize your claim. It's important to understand that the value of your case isn't just about visible injuries or surgeries. Compensation includes pain, suffering, lost wages, medical bills, and lifestyle changes caused by your injury. You may have ongoing medical needs such as physical therapy or pain management that add to the cost and should be factored in. The key takeaway here is that just because you didn't have surgery doesn't mean your injury is insignificant. You deserve full compensation for all the ways the fall has affected your life, and you have a right to pursue a claim for that. Documentation is your best defense. The most powerful tool in your slip and fall case is documentation. The moment you get injured, seeking medical attention is critical. For example, going to urgent care right after the fall creates a time-stamped record that connects your injury to the accident. Insurance companies often try to argue that delayed treatment means your injury isn't serious or wasn't caused by the fall. So having this immediate documentation protects you. Following your doctor's treatment plan is just as important. If physical therapy is recommended, attending every session strengthens your case. Missing appointments or ignoring treatment creates gaps insurance adjusters use to argue you're exaggerating or recovered already. Consistency shows you're taking your injury seriously and validates the extent of your pain and limitations. Along with medical records, keep a detailed personal diary. Write down daily how the injury affects your pain levels, what activities you can no longer do, and days missed from work. These notes help illustrate the ongoing impact on your life beyond just medical bills. It's one thing for a doctor to say you're injured, but a personal account shows the human side of your suffering. Finally, photos are critical. Take pictures of the accident scene, like a wet floor without a warning sign or poor lighting that caused your fall. Also, photograph your bruises, swelling, or other visible injuries to provide tangible evidence of harm. Well-documented evidence is what turns a good case into a strong one. Insurance companies want to pay as little as possible and will use every trick in the book. One common tactic is the low initial settlement offer. They may give you a quick check, hoping you accept it before understanding the full extent of your injuries. This offer usually ignores future medical costs, ongoing therapy, lost income, and pain and suffering, all of which add significant value to your case. They also delay processing claims, asking for excessive paperwork or more documentation than necessary. This can wear you down emotionally and financially, hoping you'll settle for less just to get it over with. It's crucial to keep a record of every interaction, phone calls, emails, letters. This organized trail helps your attorney push back effectively when the insurer drags their feet or denies claims unfairly. Another common tactic is twisting your own words. Insurance adjusters are trained to catch you saying things that can be used to blame you or reduce your claim value. For example, saying, "I feel fine," might be used to argue your injuries aren't serious, or admitting, "I wasn't paying full attention," can be spun into partial fault. Always be cautious and never admit fault or speculate about the accident. Lastly, many insurers ask for recorded statements, which are traps. These statements can be used to pick apart your words later and minimize or deny your claim. It's best to politely decline giving any recorded statement without your attorney present. Let your lawyer handle all communications to avoid mistakes that could hurt your case. Navigating a slip and fall claim without legal help puts you at a huge disadvantage. Experienced attorneys like myself know the tactics insurance companies use and how to counter them. We work to collect strong evidence, including medical records, accident photos, and witness statements, to build a case that proves your injuries and their impact. A lawyer also helps you understand the true value of your claim, including compensation for pain and suffering, lost wages, and future medical costs. Insurance companies often undervalue cases without legal pressure. Having a lawyer signals that you're serious and prepared to fight for what you deserve. Beyond negotiation, a good attorney ensures all deadlines and legal requirements are met. Missing paperwork or deadlines can cause your claim to be denied. We manage the complex legal process so you can focus on healing without stress. Finally, a lawyer fights to level the playing field. Insurance companies have entire teams. You need someone on your side protecting your interests. We negotiate aggressively and, if needed, prepare to take your case to court to secure fair compensation. If you slipped and fell here in Las Vegas and didn't need surgery, don't assume you have no case. The pain and disruption to your life are real, and the compensation you deserve could cover medical bills and lost paychecks. Call us at 702-444-3228 for a free consultation with me. There's no pressure. I'll walk you through your options step by step. And if this video helped you understand your rights better, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video right here.